Hi everyone, welcome back. This is your India Food Recipes.in. Today our recipe is chicken varuval, chicken roast. Let us see the ingredients. I took a half chopped red onion and 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic and some curry leaves and 2 dry chilies and 1 pound of boneless chicken, 2 teaspoons of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt and half a teaspoon of garam masala and 4 teaspoon of oil. Let us see how to prepare this chicken varuval. Take a bowl like this. In that bowl first I am going to add all the masalas with salt and lime juice. That is 2 teaspoons. Enough, and half amount of ginger garlic. Mix it everything together. Add some more lime juice. Here our mixture is ready. I am going to put our chicken pieces here. Mix it everything together. If you want more spicy, you can add some more chili powder also. Mix it well. And leave this chicken for at least half an hour. After that we will do the varuval preparation. Leave this mixture for half an hour. Now heat the oil in the pan. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and our chopped red onions. Try to use red onions instead of yellow onion. Red onion will give nice taste. Sort it nicely until they get a slightly brown color. And I am going to add our red chilies and the curry leaves. You can use green chilies also. Sort it nicely. I am going to add pinch of salt here. Some more salt. Sort it for at least 2 minutes. In between we will add our crushed ginger and garlic. Now I am going to add our crushed ginger and garlic. This ginger and garlic will give nice aroma. Sort it nicely and to remove the raw smell of this ginger and garlic. Then we will add our marinated chicken pieces. Now I am going to add our marinated chicken pieces here. Mix it well. Mix it nicely. This is a very tasty and yummy recipe. This is one of the Chettinad special also. Now I am going to close this pan for 5 minutes After 5 minutes again we will open it and stir it well again. If you want, you can add just 2 teaspoons of water. Now I am going to close this pan. Now let's check how is our chicken Varuval here. Here the oils are comes out from the chicken. Now can you see this? Can you see that oil? So water is not necessary here. Now stir it again, and this time don't cover this pan. Continuously stir this for at least 2 minutes. Look at this. Without adding water, I am preparing this Varuval. Our chicken Varuval is ready. Now I am going to turn off the flame. Look at this. Our spicy Chettinad chicken Varuval is ready to eat now. You can serve this chicken Varuval with variety rice like lemon rice, curd rice, tamarind rice also. This is very good combination with naan, roti, chapati also. Try it yourself. Send your valuable feedbacks to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We will meet in another video. Thank you.